So let's talk about the things that we should be leaving behind in 2023. I know 2024 has already begun, and people have so many resolutions and all of that. But you cannot move into the new if you don't settle the old. So I'm going to be sharing with us a few things that we need to leave behind in 2023 as we verge into 2024. So if it's something you would like to see, please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, and welcome. So, one of the first things I advise you leave behind for 2023 is complaining. You need to leave complaining behind in 2023. All of the things that didn't work for you, rather than complain about it, do something about it. You didn't get that dream job probably because you haven't brushed up your qualifications. So, rather than complaining that your village people are after you, do some more courses. Try to level up your CV and make sure it is up to par with what is in the market right now. So in 2024, we're not going to be complaining. We're going to be doing what we need to do to get what we need to get. Stop complaining, leave it behind in 2023, and go into 2024 putting in the work and doing what needs to be done. Complaining never gets anybody anywhere. Actually, it causes high blood pressure. If you have doctor friends, you could ask them or Google it. Okay, so we're not going to be complaining this year. We're leaving complaints behind in 2023, and we are putting in the work this year. The next thing we're going to be leaving behind in 2023 is holding on to regrets. We're not going to be doing that this year. We are going to be letting go of regrets. Learn from your mistakes and move on. In 2024, we are not going to be dwelling on regrets or mistakes that we've made in 2023 and the years past. We are going to be learning, taking the lessons from those regrets and moving on. There is no experience without a lesson, okay? So quit regretting, quit dwelling on your mistakes. There's no room for regrets this year. Take the lessons from those mistakes and add it to the work that you'll be putting in for 2024, and watch everything you've ever wanted come through, okay? So you're not going to be dwelling on regrets this year. Another thing that we are not going to be taking along with us into 2024 is negative self-talk. You see that talking down on yourself, we're leaving it behind in 2023. This year, we're calling those things that be not as though they were. We are speaking highly of ourselves. We are coming into our self-worth. Because other than that, you will remain in the mediocre state that you are. This year, we are stopping talking down on ourselves. It's not humility. It's not humility to talk down on yourself. This year, we are accepting compliments with grace and giving it out too. This year, we are calling ourselves by the name that God has given us. We are special, we are blessed, we are born with a purpose, and we are achieving everything that God has in store for us. So no more negative self-talk. It only breeds anxiety and depression. The more you talk down on yourself, the more anxious, the more depressed you will be. It's a fact. You can Google it. Okay, so this year, we are not going to be talking down on ourselves. We will be stepping into our place in destiny. We will be walking with our heads held up high. We will be calling ourselves by the name of the place that you want to be. That is what we'll be doing this year, okay? So this year, no more talking down on yourself. And anybody else talking down on you around you, shut the door on them. Enough. We've had enough. This is 2024. And it's all about the new, okay? New talk, okay? The next thing we are not taking with us into 2024 is neglecting our health, be it physical health or mental health. This year, we are being conscious and intentional about our mental health, about our physical health. If you've never taken time to take care of yourself, now more than ever is a perfect time to start doing that. So in 2023, you felt you had no time to care for yourself. You felt you had no time to take some time out for your mental health, for your physical health, to exercise and do the things that rejuvenates your mind. Well, 2023 is past. This is 2024. So you're going to be putting that in your schedule. This year, you are going to be scheduling, taking care of yourself, taking care of your mental health, exercising, eating healthy, and everything that has to do with your well being, because health is wealth. You will have no idea of what it is to be healthy until you become sick, or you are, bedridden, or you have to take some kind of medications for the rest of your life. Take care of your health. This is the right time to take care of your health. Take care of you. Everything and everyone else can wait. You need to take care of you first. So say after me, in 2024, I will be taking time for rest, for exercise, for my mental health, and everything that has to do with my well-being. Agreed? So help us God. And the last thing we are not taking into 2024 with us is people pleasing. This year, if it has to do with fake smiling, we will not be there. If it has to do with bending over just to please somebody else at my own discomfort, we will not be found there. Amen. Okay, because people love to use people, and it does a number on your mental health, whether you like to admit it or not. Okay? If you're not okay with something this year, we're saying no boldly, with grace. I'm sorry, I will not be able to help you or participate at this time, but thank you for the offer. Thank you for inviting me. This year, we will be firm with our no, and we will stop people pleasing. If you're not comfortable with something, we are going to say it out loud, because they will not beat you. It's your right to say yay or nay, to say yes or no to something, to an invite, to an offer, So this year we are not taking people pleasing lightly. We will be doing things, we'll be nice to people, we will help as much as we can, but not to our demerit and not to our discomfort. So this year, say your no with grace. Say it boldly, okay? And make me proud. Let me know in the comment section what other things you think we should not be taking into 2024. There are so many others, but I didn't want the video to be too long. So just let us chat in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about what you are not taking into 2024, and let's continue the conversation in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, like and share, and I'll see you all in my next video, and have a blessed 2024 once again. Thanks for watching.